Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a chest of drawer. We will use this inlay drawer and the base cabinet. You can follow my last video to create the pieces or go to the website to download the models. They are all free, you can use and modify on top of it. Now let's get started. First, go to the cabinet spreadsheet. Modify the size of the frame. Width is 500. Depth is 560 and height is 600. Panel thickness is 20. Then go to check the multibody and save the file. Name it the chest of drawer. Then active the left panel. Find the door hole pocket and go to the sketch. Make the up circle to be construction geometry or just delete it. Then close the sketch. After that, let's go to the linear pattern and check the second direction. Then modify the direction to z-axis and set the occurrence to 4. Then set the length, go to the expression editor. It equals the height minus the base panel width and minus thickness. Let's go to the right view to check. That's good. Click OK to finish it. Then show the last feature of this body. And we are going to do the same on the right panel. After that, select the bottom panel and go to Edit, Duplicate Object. Select the bottom panel and all the features under it. OK. Let's press the F2 key to rename as the shelf. Then active this panel. We don't need the glue on the back and the door holes on the bottom. Let's find and delete the features. And also the sketch and the linear pattern. Then find the glue and delete it. OK. Now let's go to the pad. Double click to access it and modify the length minus 20. OK. That's all for the shelf. We can go to the wireframe view to check. Next, let's create a group and press the Shift key, select all the panels, drag it to the group. It makes us easy to hide and show the multibody. After that, go to the Assemble workbench and create a new assembly. Then go to the component. Let's hide the multibody. First, insert the base panel and make it as the grounded part. Then continue to insert other panels and click twice on the shelf. OK. Next, let's add a constraint. Select the fixed joint. Then select the whole edge on the base panel and the one on the left panel. OK, that's it. Before add a constraint for the right panel, select the body and go to the placement, flip it, rotate 180 degrees. Then add a constraint. Here we need to rotate 180 degrees. Next, let's add a constraint for the bottom panel. Select the edge and the edge on the base panel, then flip the body. That's it. After that, let's add a constraint for the back panel. Select the glue face on the left panel and the side face on the back panel. That's right. Click OK. Then find the top panel. Then drag the panel close the cabinet. Let's add a constraint. Go to Fixed Joint. This time, let's select the points and rotate 180 degrees. Then let's constrain the shelf. Go to the Fixed Joint and select the door hole edge on the shelf and the corresponding edge on the right panel. And rotate 180 degrees. Okay. Next, let's do the same on another shelf. Now go to the inlay drawer and go to the multi-body. Active the front panel. Create a new sketch on this face. Then draw a circle and add dimension. Set the diameter to 6 and set the vertical distance to half of the drawer height. Then close the sketch and go to Pocket. Modify the type to Through All. Then go to the assembly. Now the hole is sink. Let's open a file. This is the handle I created before, and I'm going to assemble for the drawer. Select the handle body. We can drag it and flip it just using this coordinate. Okay. Now let's go to this body. Press the F2 key to rename it as the handle. Next, let's add a fixed joint. Select the circular edge on the front panel and then select the edge on the handle. Then click OK. That's good. For the last, we are going to insert the drawers. Active the assemble and go to the component. Select the drawer 3 times. Next, let's add a constraint. First, hide the handle and the other 2 drawers. Then go to the fixed joint. Select the circle on the drawer face and select the shelf face. Just rotate 90 degrees and here let's check Show Advanced Offset. Then go to the first one. Make the drawer move in the y direction, minus 78. It's half of the drawer height. And minus 10, half of the panel thickness. Then go to the front view to check. That's good. Then we can show the handle and do the same for the other 2 drawers. Then go to the explode view. Let's select the drawer and drag it out to generate the movement. Here, let's slide the 3 jaws out, and then click OK. Then we can go to the export view, go back to it. That's all. In the next video, I will create a desk based on it. Thank you for your watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.